Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Pradeep of Maths Teacher. Today in this video, we'll solve the chapter number 7 coordinate geometry, the exercise 7.1, the fourth problem, children. Right now the question is check whether 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. So now let me just say what is the meaning of isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is a triangle in which two sides are equal, right? So therefore, how will you find the given coordinate points by using a coordinate points? How will you check the given coordinate points are the vertices of isosceles triangle? So for that, let me write let a of 5 comma minus 2 and b of 6 comma 4 and c of 7 comma minus 2 are the vertices of a triangle, right? Now let me write the triangle. So triangle ABC, right? Now the question is you need to check the given coordinate points are the vertices of the isosceles triangle or not. How will you find? So by using a distance formula we can check whether the given coordinates are the vertices of isosceles triangle or not. Now how will you find? So just first find the distance between AB and afterwards find the distance between BC and afterwards find the distance between AC. Now if suppose if you got the two answers are same, then directly we can say the coordinate given coordinate points are the vertices of isosceles triangle, children. Now let me write a of how much 5 comma minus 2 here, 6 comma 4 and here 7 comma minus 2, right, children? Now first find the distance between AB, afterwards BC, afterwards AC we will find, right? So first find the distance between A and B. Now what are the coordinate points of A and B? So A of 5 comma minus 2 and B of 6 comma 4 are the points, right, children? Now find the distance between AB. Now what is the formula to find the distance between AB? So nothing but square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Nothing but we are finding the distance between AB. So therefore AB is equals to. So afterwards as usual you know that write down the first one as x1 y1 and the second one as x2 y2. Now just apply this value in this here in this formula. So therefore AB is equals to square root of what is x2, children? X2 is 6 minus x1 is 5 whole square plus what is y2? Y2 is how much? 4 and minus what is y1? Minus 2. So therefore minus of minus 2 whole square, right, children? Now simplify this. So therefore that's equals to square root of 6 minus 5 is 1 square plus keep the 4 as it is. Now you need to open the bracket. So therefore if you want to open the bracket means multiple the symbols, right? Minus into minus is what? Plus. So therefore write down plus 2 whole square, right, children? Now AB is equals to square root of, so 1 square is 1 plus 4 plus 2 is how much? 6 square, right? So therefore square root of 1 plus 6 square is how much? 36. So therefore root 37 units. This is the distance between A and B. So we have find the distance between A, B. Now find the distance between B to C. Afterwards find the distance between C to A. So in these three values, if you found the two values are same, then you can directly say the given coordinate points are the vertices of isosceles triangle. Now you have found the answer for AB, right? Now just find the distance between B to C, children. Now, what are the coordinate points they have given for B and C? So therefore, B of 6 comma 4 and C of 7 comma minus 2 are the points. Right on. So write down now the distance formula: square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So you're finding the distance between B to C. So therefore, write on BC is equals to. Now, write on as usual. So the first one has x1, y1 and the second one has x2, y2. Now, apply this value in this formula. So therefore, BC is equals to square root of, what is x2, children? X2 is 7 minus, what is x1? X1 is 6 whole square plus, what is y2? Y2 is minus 2 minus, what is y1? Y1 is 4 whole square. Right? Now simplify this. So therefore, that's equals to square root of. So 7 minus 6 is 1 square plus minus into minus is plus. You need to add. So 4 plus 2 is 6, but sign of a biggest number. So sign of a biggest number is 4. Sign is minus. So therefore, minus 6 whole square. Right, children? Now BC is equals to square root of. So 1 square is 1 plus. So minus 6 square already has set for few people. So any minus square will be plus. So 6 square is 36 and minus 6 square is also 36. How? So therefore here minus 6 into minus 6. Right? So minus into minus is plus 6 6 are 36. Right, children? Now, so adding. So 36 plus 1 is 37. So that means root 37 units. Right? Root 37 units. Okay? Root 37 units. Now, you have found the value of AB, you have found the value of BC. Now, find the value of CA, children. Right? So, what are the coordinates of C and E? So, therefore, C of 7 comma minus 2 and A of A of 5 comma minus 2 are the coordinate points. Right? Now find the distance between C to A. Here I'll write the distance formula. Distance formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here you are finding the value of CA, you are finding the distance between CA. So therefore CA is equals to, now write on as usual. The first one has x1, y1, the second one has x2, y2. Right, children? Now apply the value. CA is equals to square root of, now what is the value of x2? X2 is how much? 5 minus, what is x1? 7 whole square plus, what is y2? Y2 is minus 2 minus, what is y1? Y1 is nothing but minus 2, right? Whole square. Right? Here, just find the value. CA is equals to square root of, so 5 minus 7 is 2, nothing but you need to subtract it. Afterwards you need to write down the sign of a biggest numbers. Biggest number is 7, sign is minus, so therefore minus 2 whole square plus, keep the minus 2 as it is. So now minus into minus is what? Plus, so therefore plus 2 whole square. So you need to open the bracket, so therefore you have to multiply the symbols. So therefore minus into minus is what? Plus, so therefore plus 2, right? So therefore that's equals to square root of minus 2 whole square is nothing but 4, 2 square is 4, minus 2 square is also 4, because any minus square will be plus. So therefore minus 2 square is plus 4. So plus, minus into minus is what? Sorry, minus into plus is what? Minus into plus is minus. You need to subtract it. So plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled. So therefore 0 square. 0 square is nothing but 0. Right? So therefore CA is equals to square root of 4, nothing but the square root of 4 is nothing but 2 units. Now you have found the three values as we have discussed on first. We have found the value of AB, how much? Root 37. We have also found the value of BC, how much? Root 37. And also we have found the value of CA also, how much? 2 units. Now as I told you first only that if the two values are same, then directly we can say the given coordinates are the vertices of a isosceles triangle. Right, children? So therefore, now just observe the values of AB. So what is the value of AB? AB is root 37. What is the value of BC? The BC is also root 37 units. So therefore, AB is equals to BC. Right? So AB is also root 37 units and BC is also root 37 units. So therefore directly we can say the given coordinate points are the vertices of an isosceles triangle, because if you want to say the given triangle as an isosceles triangle, the two sides should be equal. Here we got the two sides values are same, so therefore root 37 units, so therefore we can directly say, right? So therefore I can write like this. Hence the points hence the points 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Hence we have proved that given vertices points are hence